Today is National Gardening Day.
And here with some of the coolest tools to help you garden like a pro is Home Contractor, host of Catch a Contractor.
I'm here. It's National Gardening Day, guys. I got some great products to make your garden the best it could be. Starting out with this VegTrug. This thing is awesome. This is a raised garden bed. It has a V shape, which allows you to put all your deeper rooted vegetables and plants in the center and the shallower ones on the edge. But if you notice, it has a liner which contains the dirt. So it's great in that it raises it up off the ground. Even if you don't have a lot of property, you can put this right on your front porch.
I don't want to get down on my knees and all that.
No more bending over the thing. So it's great for that. It's great for kids to walk right up waist high to teach kids how to garden. It even comes in an herb garden, which is really cool because it has 8 separate little compartments for all your herbs. You put that right outside your kitchen door. You got your herbs right there, fresh whenever you want to grow them.
Bad idea.
So, well, everything, basil. I mean, you have oregano. You have all the great herbs. But the VegTrug is great because it makes it convenient, right? So even for older people that can't bend over and dig, for kids, it's awesome because it's raised up. And the best part is you can put it right in your porch.
And you can be a man about it.
Let's say you have if you have an apartment or a balcony, you can put it right on there. Now you have your garden. So this is the Maxbit, guys. I love this. This is my favorite new gardening tool. Watch this. This digs the perfect hole every time. It's got a flat bottom to it, right? It comes in 4 and 6 inch diameter. So watch this. Look. So it's the perfect hole for your plants. So no more bending over to dig holes, right? So you even have a 25-inch extension right here, so you can actually add this to any drill.
You can plant a tree.
You can dig holes without bending over. So the Maxbit's made in the USA, great for National Gardening Day, right? And it digs the perfect hole every time. I love it.
What do you got over here?
It's true. Yeah. So, of course, when you're growing a garden, you got to have good food, you got to have good soil, you got to have good fertilizer. So this is Miracle Growth Performance Organic. This is a new product they have out right now. It's the very best in organic. So it takes all the chemicals out.
You know I only do organic.
Yeah, absolutely. So you know that it's great for your vegetables, all the stuff that you eat. There's no chemicals, right? But this comes in a garden feeder that you see right here for your garden. It also comes in a container mix for like the container plants. And it also comes in in-ground soil, which is the big bag in the bottom. But the best part is it gives you the nutrients even better than synthetic mixes. It helps feed your plants so you get that awesome garden. It grows beautiful, you know. Miracle Grow is obviously the name that we know for making good quality gardens, but this new organic product is the best because there's no chemicals.
How do you work in technology over here?
I'm loving the tech, guys, for the garden this year on National Gardening Day.
Isn't that the one place you're supposed to get away from the tech?
Well, yeah, but when it comes to water, you all know nothing grows without water, right? So this is the new Orbit Beehive. This is a smart watering sprinkler system. So you hook this up to your in-ground sprinklers, and now it turns your system smart. So what this does, it actually gets weather reports every day, multiple weather reports, and it knows if it's going to rain or if the sun's out. It knows when to water your lawn and when not to water your lawn, right? So this is awesome in the fact that it talks to the weather reports. I got you. It talks to the weather reports and it knows when to water your lawn, saving you up to 25%. So if you don't have an in-ground sprinkler system, you can also hook this up to your hose. So this will go on to any hose, and then you connect that to your ground sprinkler. Now it turns your hose faucet smart. You control it with your smartphone, and basically this will also talk to the weather reports, and it'll give knows when to water your lawn. If it's going to rain one day, it does, it won't water your lawn.
All right, Skip's going to be back.
Yeah, I'm going to be back. I want to say thanks to Bonnie Plants for all the herbs and vegetables over there.
Go to skipbedell.com. You can see all these tips.
Skipbedell.com.
All right, Jed, back to you. You need to say this right now.
Man. Look out. Here, let's make